Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your car in Rocket League all black. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. Now in order to do this you will need a plugin, a Bacchus mod, which is approved by Rocket League itself, so you can definitely use this. How to download it and install it, I'm gonna leave the link here at the top. I'm gonna insert the card. You can go ahead and check how to do this. After you will have Bacchus mod, you want to go ahead and open it. For me, it's Fn F2. For others, it's just F2. By clicking on it, this will pop up. And now we can go ahead and change the colors of your car. So first of all, you want to go ahead on items and then enable item mods and then override car colors. After that, you're going to choose the primary color, and as you can see, you can change it just like so. The secondary one, for example, the flames, you can also go ahead and do all black. Now, if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and leave it like so. You can also go ahead and choose the body color, for example, black. And that's pretty much it, how you get all black car. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. And I will see you next time.